Assalamu alaikum. This is me Jan from Government College University Lahore. Today I'll be making Newman's projection very easy for you. So let's say we are given with a Sawhorse projections and we have to make the Newman projections out of these. So this is the first structure that we are given with, and the carbon atom having wedges and dash, and the point of that carbon atom, towards that point we will be having our the molecules attached in the form of wedges or dashes, you can say that. Let's say we are viewing that compound from that end, and we have to show the carbon that is towards us with a dot, and the carbon atom that is away from us with a circle around that dot. So let's say we have to draw two axes, that is y-axis, it's into the paper, and the x-axis is our horizon. So this is where the concept applies. This horizon, we have to make sure that the things that are above the horizon will be as it is. This is our horizon, the yellow line. Anything that is above the yellow line, the horizon, the carbon atoms where the adjacent carbon atoms are attached will be above on the horizon in the Newman's projection, and anything below that horizon will be below that x-axis. So let's say we draw this carbon atom, and this carbon is shown with a circle. So we are viewing the compound from left side. So we have already got to know about that the thing that is below the horizon will be below the horizon. This is our horizon, and the first carbon atom has two things below and one molecule attached above the horizon. So here it goes, and that carbon has two compounds, molecules attached above the horizon, like this wedge one and the dash one will be above this horizon. This one is above the x-axis. You can see that on the carbon atom, and this one is below the horizon. So this is the main concept that applies here. So let's say we are viewing that compound from here, and from where you are viewing the compound, the dashes will be written on that side. Let's say we are viewing the compound from left side. The dash should be written on the left side, and the wedge should be written on the right side. So let's say these are the molecules. This is ethyl. Let's say this is methyl, and this methyl is it. No, it's not that one. Basically it's below the horizon, and we have to make sure that I have to write this carbon's methyl first, and this one is this dash methyl group, because I have already told you that the side from where you are seeing the compound will be the dash will be on that side, left side, and that dash should be on the left side. It's ethyl, and this is wedge, and these two carbon atoms are above and below respectively. So let's say we are given with another Sawhorse projection, and you have to draw it on your notebook before I draw it for you. So let's say we are given with this one, and this wedge, this is methyl, and this one, and the dashes have hydrogen group that is attached on the carbon atoms, and let's draw it. So pause the video and draw it by yourself. So I would be giving a hint to you that these projection, this is an eclipsed form. So this is the hint that I have given to you. This is the horizon, and anything that is above the horizon will be written as it is, and the things that are below the horizon will be below the horizon. So let's say we are viewing the compound from this, and if you are viewing the compound structure from right side, the dashes will be written on the right side, this one. And let's say we are seeing the compound from structure from left side, and this methyl, this hydrogen, the dash one, and this, the methyl on the right side is the wedge one, and this is our horizon, and anything that is below the horizon will be below the horizon on the Newman's projection as well, and that is above this methyl is below the horizon on the Sawhorse and will be as it is in the Newman's projection. And there's carbonyl is just behind the methyl group. So this was it from today's lecture, and I hope so that you go to learn a lot from this video, and do practice a lot, and I hope so that I made it very easy for you. And keep loving, keep supporting me, and I'll be uploading more videos making the things easy for you.